Hi everyone, welcome back to our Wilcom tutorial series. This is tutorial number 2 and today we are going to learn some very useful tools, select, reshape, zoom and pan and see how they help us create and adjust designs easily. Let's get started. First let's look at the select tool. You can find it here on the toolbar. This tool helps you pick any object in your design. Click on an object and you will see its edges highlighted. Try clicking and dragging to move the object. Notice how easy it is to adjust placement. Next we have the Reshape tool right next to the Select tool. This lets you change the curves and shape of your objects. Click on a shape, drag the nodes and watch how it changes smoothly. This is perfect for customizing flowers, letters, or any design elements. To move around the design without changing the zoom, we use the pan tool. It's also under the view menu. Pan. Just click and drag the mouse. This lets you shift the canvas smoothly, especially after zooming in. Now you try it. Open a simple design, select an object, reshape it, zoom in and pan around. These tools will make your embroidery digitizing much easier. In the next tutorial, we will start creating a full design from scratch. Thanks for watching and don't forget to practice these tools before moving to the next step.